The mother of the second alleged child victim in the Tanya Craft trial took the stand this morning. The woman, who is unidentified to protect the identity of the child, said she and Miss Craft had a strained relationship after an incident with their children. The witness said when she got home from a vacation, she had a call to take her daughter to the advocacy center about a child-on-child incident.
And I said, honey, if anything else has happened, you need to tell Mommy. Because I said, because you're fixing to have to talk to the police. And I said, she was scared, she was crying. And I said, it's okay, you haven't done anything wrong.
But when she got to the center, she was told Miss Craft was also suspected of touching her daughter and several other girls.
Did anything else ever happen at Miss Tanya's house?
So now you recall that you didn't say on the way to the interview, did Miss Tanya ever hurt you or touch you in your privates? You specifically recall that now?
Now I remember saying, has anything ever happened at her house that I need to know about?
In cross-examination, defense attorney Scott King asked the witness if she knew about the allegations against Miss Craft before arriving at the center. She said no.
That Tanya had touched her, or had you heard anything about Tanya touching your daughter until after the interview?
Not that I recall, no.
But when questioned further about a conversation with another parent on the ride to the center, she said she couldn't remember if she asked her daughter about Miss Craft touching her. At the end of her testimony, she told Mr. King, "Now I remember saying, did anything ever happen at Miss Tanya's house?" Also, the forensic interviewer testified from the stand that one of the alleged victims told her about an incident with the former kindergarten teacher after the tape was turned off.
When I asked you about the documentation, that does not appear in any transcript, does it?
That wasn't videotaped.
Right.
It should have been videotaped and followed up on, but it wasn't. That was my fault.
It sure should have been videotaped, because that's a major felony that you say and she says that she's not talking about, right?
You're correct.
Major felony.
You're right.
You didn't immediately take her back and put her in front of the camera and document what she was telling you, did you? Asked one of Tanya Craft's attorneys, Demosthenes Lorandos. No, I did not, Susie Thorne responded. Miss Craft, the former kindergarten teacher, is charged with 22 counts of child molestation, aggravated sexual battery, and aggravated child molestation. The charges involve 3 children. Reporting from the Chattanooga Times Free Press, I'm Chris Carroll.